Here we have an old measuring equipment used for measuring the Earth's resistance value. It has a really nice leather case with an adjustable leather strap that makes a comfortable tilted position possible. This way it can be viewed while hanged on one's shoulder. On the lid it has detailed user instructions in Romanian, since it is made in Romania.
We have these types of USB voltmeters, which basically measures volts and amps from 3.5 volts to 10 volts and amps from 0 amps to 3 amps. Now these work very well on older smartphones or USB devices, but for example, and we do not wish to specify manufacturer, this phone with this charger, which is a 120 watts charger, it probably will blow up. It can still be used in lower voltage and lower power applications. We inserted the voltmeter into our charger and connected our phone. Let's see what happens if we plug it in. I think it will damage the voltmeter. No, but it limits the voltage. So basically we charge, it says turbocharge, and here we have 2 point some amps and 9 point some volts, 9.5 volts and 2.3 amps. We connected only the voltmeter to the charging pack, and it says obviously 0 amps because nothing is connected, and it says 5 point something volts, which is okay for a normal USB connection. If I plug my phone, the phone says turbocharge, and the voltmeter slowly pumps up the voltage to 9 point something, 9.5, 9.6 volts and 2.4 amps. Let's see what happens if I plug directly into this 120 watt charger. It now says not turbocharge but 120 watt charge.
This is a multimeter from China. I read a lot of reviews and I've heard that it's very good. We ordered this from AliExpress, and we ordered it on February 10th, and it arrived on March 1st. It was supposed to arrive on March 19th. These are the accessories that came with it. Cables, on the bottom of the multimeter there's a stand which you can pop out to put the multimeter at an angle. On the bottom of the multimeter, behind the flap, there's another one but with a screw, which you need to undo to access the batteries. You need two AAA batteries to power the multimeter. After you put in the batteries, it instantly starts and you don't need to power it on, and it has auto power off. It also has a plastic sticker on the glass.
We have here his twin brother, the AN8008. This one was the 8009. There are a few differences. This one measures electromagnetic field. This one doesn't, but it has a built-in square wave generator.